Hi, this is Martin, and in this video I'm going to show you how to manage Vizlib templates. As a small reminder, templates in Vizlib are divided typically into three categories. The public one, the gallery, that is already pre-populated by us, by Vizlib. The templates that have been published within your organization and are accessible to anybody who's using the extensions within the same license. And last but not least, the personal space, which are where you can create your personal templates, and these are only visible to yourself when using Qlik Sense. As an author of a template, you always have the ability to either rename your templates if you want to, by clicking on the tiny icon at the bottom, or to delete them. However, you can only do that from within Qlik Sense on your own personal templates. If you wish to manage templates globally for all users within your Qlik Sense environment who are using Vizlib, you will have to go to your user portal. In your user portal, when you click on templates, you land on this page where you can see all templates for each individual extension. So on the left hand side here, you will see all the various users who have created personal templates. On the right hand side here, you will see the published templates or even all private templates that have been created. So as a reminder, as an admin, you see everything. However, within the Qlik Sense user portals, people see only their own personal templates. As an admin, you always have the ability to rename or delete everyone's template by clicking on the same icons here. Now, if you wish to promote one of the privately created templates to the published ones, all you have to do is go to the private section. Let's say I want to promote the Vizlib Martin template and click on the Publish Template button. I click on this, I confirm, and it gets published. So this is now available to everybody within my organization to use. So you see here, it's also refreshing once I reopen the template section. To unpublish a published template, all I have to do is, as an admin, log back into the user portal and simply click on the published one to unpublish it, and that's it. As a reminder, you can only apply company defaults templates for published templates and not on private ones. So they have to get published first before you can apply them as default using that icon at the bottom right.